Digital marketing refers to the use of digital channels and technologies to promote products, services, or brands to potential customers. It encompasses a wide range of activities and strategies, each tailored to meet specific objectives. Here's a basic breakdown of key aspects of digital marketing. Search engine optimization, SEO. This involves optimizing your website and its content to rank higher in search engine results pages for relevant keywords, thereby increasing organic, non-paid traffic. Next on our list is pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. PPC is a model of internet marketing where advertisers pay a fee each time one of their ads is clicked. This is typically associated with search engine advertising like Google Ads. Next on our list is social media marketing. This strategy uses social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn to build brand awareness, capture customer attention, and connect brands with a broader, more diverse audience segment. Next on our list is content marketing. This approach focuses on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience, ultimately to drive profitable customer action. Next on our list is email marketing. Email marketing involves sending emails to prospects and customers. Effective marketing emails convert prospects into customers and turn one-time buyers into loyal, raving fans. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. This is a performance-based advertising where you receive commission for promoting someone else's products or services on your website. Next on our list is influencer marketing. Brands collaborate with influencers who have a large following on social media to promote their products. This can be highly effective in reaching a specific target audience. Next on our list is digital display advertising. This includes the use of banner ads, flash ads, and other graphical advertisements to boost website traffic. Next on our list is mobile marketing. This includes sending SMS messages, creating mobile applications, and designing mobile-friendly websites to reach consumers on their mobile devices. Next on our list is analytics. Digital marketing is highly data-driven. Tools like Google Analytics or Adobe Analytics help marketers track the effectiveness of their campaigns, understand user behavior, and make informed decisions. These strategies are integrated into a digital marketing plan that aligns with business goals, targets specific audience segments, and measures success through data analysis. Digital marketing is a fast-paced and changing ecosystem, so it's important to pay attention and be constantly learning and adapting. Please like and subscribe to stay informed and to know what to expect in the coming years ahead.